Got a financial puzzle you're trying to solve, a reconciliation that just won't balance, or a loan application demanding every last detail of your business's financial health? If you're using Relay, you know how seamless their banking platform is for modern businesses. But when it comes to getting those official bank statements, sometimes the path isn't as clear as you'd like. It's not always as intuitive as clicking a big, red "Download all my money stuff here" button. That's precisely what we're tackling today, the definitive guide to downloading your Relay bank statements. Whether you need them for tax season, an audit, a loan application, or simply to keep your financial records meticulously organized, by the end of this video, you'll be able to pull those statements with confidence and ease, no more head-scratching or frantic searches through help forums. We're going to break down the process step by step, covering everything from the basic download for individual accounts to more advanced scenarios like accessing statements for multiple entities or specific date ranges. We'll even touch on common pitfalls and how to troubleshoot them, ensuring you walk away with exactly what you need when you need it. Let's dive in. The first and most crucial step, as with almost any online banking task, is to securely log into your Relay account. Head over to https://www.google.com/search?q=bank.relayfi.com, or simply type Relay Financial into your search engine and click on the official link. You'll be prompted for your username and password. Now, this might seem obvious, but it's worth emphasizing the importance of doing this on a secure and trusted device, and ideally, on a private network, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. Once you've entered your credentials, you might encounter a two-factor authentication prompt. Relay, like many modern financial institutions, employs 2FA for enhanced security. This could be a code sent to your registered mobile device via SMS, an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or even a biometric scan if you've set that up. Take a moment to complete this step. It's a vital layer of protection for your financial data. Once successfully logged in, you'll land on your Relay dashboard, the central hub for all your business banking activities. This dashboard provides an overview of your accounts, recent transactions, and quick links to various features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now that you're in, the next step is to navigate to the section where you can access your statements. Relay's interface is generally very user-friendly, but sometimes the exact terminology or placement can be a little different from what you might expect from a traditional bank. On the left-hand navigation panel, you'll see a series of options. Look for something along the lines of accounts, statements, or documents. In Relay, you'll typically find what you're looking for under the Accounts section. Click on Accounts. This will usually expand to show all your linked business checking and savings accounts. Each account will be listed with its current balance. Once you're viewing your list of accounts, you need to select the specific account for which you want to download statements. This is important, especially if your business operates with multiple checking or savings accounts through Relay. Clicking on a specific account will take you to its individual transaction history page. Here, you'll see a detailed log of all transactions, deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and so on for that particular account. You might be tempted to look for a Statements button directly on this page, but hold on, there's a slightly different path. On the individual account transaction page, look towards the top right or within a dedicated section for options related to that account. You're searching for a button or link that says Statements, Download, or perhaps an icon that looks like a document or an arrow pointing down. In Relay, you'll typically find a section dedicated to statements or documents within the individual account view. It might be a small tab or a drop-down menu. Click on Statements. This action will usually open up a new section or a pop-up window specifically designed for generating and downloading your bank statements. Now, this is where you'll define the parameters for your statement download. The most critical parameter is the date range. You'll usually have options to select a specific month and year, or to define a custom date range. If you need a statement for a particular month, say, January 2025, you'll select January and 2025 from the drop-down menus. If you need a statement for a specific period that doesn't align with calendar months, like from October 15, 2024 to April 15, 2025. You'll select the Custom Date Range option and then manually input the start and end dates. Be precise with your dates to ensure you capture all the necessary transactions. Double-check your start and end dates before proceeding. Many platforms also offer quick selection options like last 30 days, last 60 days, last 90 days, or current year to date. While convenient, these might not always give you the exact period you need, so always verify. Once you've selected your desired date range, the next step is to initiate the download. You'll typically see a button labeled Download Statement, Generate PDF, or something similar. Click this button. Relay will then process your request, compiling all the transactions and account information for the specified period into a structured document, usually in PDF format. PDF is the standard for bank statements because it's universally readable and preserves the formatting and integrity of the document. This is important for official purposes where the statement needs to look exactly as it was issued by the bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.